Hello, my name is Scott Dawson. I'm the Academic Rep Coordinator for the Students' Union at the University of Sheffield, and I'm responsible for the creation and support of academic rep training and academic reps generally. I hope you found the training useful so far. What I'm now going to spend a few minutes talking to you about is the university and student union structures and how they influence and impact on academic reps. Really exciting stuff, I know. So, how the structure works overall should be like the visual in front of you, with the purple boxes representing reps and the red boxes representing the groups you'll interact with. In short, students provide ideas to academic reps then take those ideas to their department student staff committee, so that's you, and you'll interact with your department staff, getting positive and negative comments back. Those ideas, if relevant, then go to the faculty reps who take those ideas to wider university groups. We'll talk about faculty reps in a minute. In the meantime, I want to delve into that interaction between you and the department student staff committee a little bit more, because it's not necessarily clear-cut. As you can see, a lot of communication is required to make sure that this works. It's a partnership system, both between you and students, you and other reps, and you and the department staff. Students will give you ideas that you can then kind of share with them. You can share those with other reps, make sure you're articulating your points clearly and as a group. You'll then take that together or nominate individuals to go to the student staff committee, and then you can take those ideas back to students, making sure they're kept in the loop. Sometimes you'll have an opportunity to take those ideas forward to faculty reps, and faculty reps will make sure that those ideas are taken from the department to the faculty level, and they'll also interact with you potentially separately outside of student staff committees so that you know how things that go on in the faculty may impact you as well. So we've talked a little bit there about faculty reps. So what exactly are faculty reps? Faculty reps are academic reps that are elected from the pool of academic reps within a single department. And there's normally two, one for undergraduate and one from postgraduate. They make sure that the department is represented to the faculty, and they'll be elected normally within your first student staff committee meeting of the year, which should be in October, early November time. Once elected, their main role is to make sure that they go to faculty student staff committee meetings, but then also attend student staff committee meetings and interact with you as an academic rep and keep you in the loop of faculty developments. They also have the opportunity to go to wider groups that influence the academic rep system more generally. But before that, it might be useful to just reflect on what a faculty is, because actually you probably won't have heard of a faculty before. So a faculty is a group of university departments which focus on a general shared area of knowledge. So for example, there are 5 at Sheffield, one being sciences, and within that there is chemistry and psychology, and then there's also the social sciences faculty, which houses politics and law. That faculty is responsible for sharing and representing the collective interest of those groups, even though they're different subjects, they have that common theme. Alongside that, there are 2 other groups that interact with faculty reps, but also with academic reps generally, and they're the lifeblood essentially for the maintaining and ongoing development of the rep system. The first is Education Committee. Education Committee is led by the Students' Union Education Officer, with at least one faculty rep from each of the 5 faculties, or an academic rep if a faculty rep can't be found. That group ensures that student voice is protected within the rep system, and that campaigns or support from the Students' Union can be provided to reps effectively. Education Committee will be elected at our first ever Academic Rep Conference in December, so that's your opportunity to get involved if you're interested. The other group, which is a university-owned group, is the Student Engagement Steering Group. It's a committee made up of faculty reps, faculty staff, the education officer, and the University Director of Learning and Teaching for student engagement. That group makes sure that student engagement activity across the university is working, and they also make sure the rep system is operating effectively. For example, if you don't think this training is very effective, Student Engagement Steering Group will hear about it and make changes. They'll also make sure that things like student staff committee meetings are actually functioning. Those of you that are interested, again, will be given the opportunity in late November or early December. We'll keep you up to speed. Remember, the key thing to take away from this is that this system is run in partnership between both the Students' Union and the university. We own it together, and between department staff And Students' Union staff like myself, we want to make sure that you as an academic rep, or if you become a faculty rep, understand where you fit within the bigger picture and that you're effectively supported.